Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are diving into a topic that can help you manage your options trading more effectively. How to close cash secured puts before they expire. That's the topic of today. And if you are looking to maximize your profits and minimize your risk, you are in the right place. So with that, let's begin. First, let's quickly recap what a cash secured put is. So when you sell a put option, you are basically agreeing to buy a stock at a certain price, right? If the option is exercised, and by securing it with a cash, you ensure you have the funds available to buy the stock if needed. This strategy can generate income, but what happens if you want to close it before the expiration, right? So that's what we are going to see in detail. So there are several reasons why you might want to close your cash secured put options early, right? First of which is profit taking. So let me take an example of my options position that I have open right now, right? So on this TQQ position that I have, I'm already up 40, almost 42%, right? So and I still have almost more than a week left on this, right? So I'm already up close to 50% and the expiration is too far, right? So why not take that profit? So that is one compelling reason why you might want to close your options early. Okay, the second reason why you might want to close an option is the market change, right? So for example, let's say that you did open a position before earnings, right? Like we had Nvidia earnings today, and you opened a position before that, you had a high IV, and right after the earnings it kind of dropped, right? So in that case, you market, maybe their earnings were good or bad, whatever it could be, right? So based on that, you may want to close it, right? If you are done that, you think that you have almost got 100% of profit, or you see that options kind of losing, or you do not want to get it to a sign, then you want to close it early. So that is second reason why you want to do it, right? Now the third is just a pure risk management. It's linked to the same second option, right? So you do wanna, let's say this option did not go in my favor, right? So in that case, I just wanna close it early. I just wanna take my losses and I wanna go away and go to the next trade, right? So that is a simple reason to close it early. Okay, now how do you close it early? Okay, so I'm just gonna take the same TQQ example here. So let's say I want to close this position, right? So what you do is you first go to that options. Here you will see buy to close or sell to open, right? And because it is a cash secured put position, right, it's a 70 put with expiry of 29, right? And you want to close it, right? So make sure that you have buy to close selected here. You select that one contract, you put the limit price, and again, since you're trying to close, they would want you to pay as much as possible, right? So the ask price, so if you want to get it filled too quickly, put the ask price, or you can put something in between. It may take a little bit of time to get it closed, but if you want to close it right away, then just put the ask price, right? If you put bid price, it's very hard to get it closed, so make sure that you put something closer to the ask price. Okay, this is fine. Markets are closed right now, but I'm just showing you what are the steps here. And once you see here, right, so it says released collateral, because when you put cash secured put, you basically your collateral is locked till the day of expiry, right? Or if anything, if in like assignment happens before that, so it clearly says that you are paying this much to close this option. If I keep it open, right, what happens if I just keep it open? I have the potential to gain almost $124, right? But like I said, I've already made 50% of it, and then I just want to move this, use this collateral for something else, right? So I want to close it early and move it to some other trade, right? So it says that your collateral would be released and you just submit here, right? So since markets are closed right now, it just says it's queued, but otherwise if the market was open, it will just right away close this and your collateral would be released. So that's how simple it is, guys, to close your options early. And I in my personal view, I do tend to close them early, maybe not this early. For this trade I may close it this week for sure because I'm already close to 50%, but in general I tend to close if I am like 75% or 80% done with that option and I want to move my money to some other better trade, I just close that. So most of the time I close it at least a day before. Like if the Friday is expiry, I try to close it on Thursday and see if I get a better opportunity on Friday, because in that day you're not gonna gain much. Your options, the theta decay would have already happened, right? So that was it, guys, for this video, and I'm making a series on the new Robinhood Legend platform. If you have not watched that, then do watch that. There are a lot of videos coming in that. And guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. There are a lot more videos coming, and I hope you're gonna benefit with all that. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.